In this video, I want to show you how to connect your AirPods to your iPhone 17. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that both AirPods are inserted in the case. Then close the lid. Make sure you have unlocked your iPhone 17 and open the case beside the iPhone. Right away, you should see a notification appearing over here asking you to connect the AirPods. If you do not see any notifications appearing, it simply means that your AirPods are probably not in pairing mode. Depending which model you have, these are the AirPods Pro 3. They don't have any buttons on the case. If you look around and your AirPods have a button on the back of your case, you simply have to open, make sure both are inside, and keep press that button until the light on the front blinks white. This is how you know that they are in pairing mode. If you have one of these cases that don't have any buttons on the back, all you have to do is to double press the light, okay? Double press quickly, tap tap, and the light will blink the way it is right over here. So what's in pairing mode? You should see this notification on your display. If you're still not seeing it, simply go into the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone. So I'll go over here, tap, and then Bluetooth, keep press. Bluetooth settings will open. Make sure that your AirPods, again, they are inside with the case open and the case in pairing mode. And then they will appear over here under devices. You just have to tap, and they are now connected. You can go ahead and start using them. Now you have a few options. If you click the I button besides your AirPods that got connected, you see over here many different options that you can go through, activate them, and yeah, this is it. You can put them in your ears and start using them. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.